Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Tesla owner, you know how awesome features like Sentry Mode can be for keeping an eye on your car. In this video, we're diving into how to view Sentry Mode events on your 2025 Tesla model. It's a game changer for security, allowing you to review footage from your car's cameras when it detects something suspicious. Whether you're checking for potential break-ins or just curious about what's happening around your vehicle, this guide will get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your Tesla account. Once you're in, tap on the Controls tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for all vehicle functions. Next, scroll down until you see the Security section. Here, you'll find Sentry Mode listed. Tap on it to access the settings and event history. If Sentry Mode is active, you'll see a list of recorded events with timestamps. Select the event you're interested in, and it will show you a preview of the video footage. To view the full video, just hit play. You can also download the clips for safekeeping or share them directly from the app. One cool tip: make sure your car's software is up to date, as 2025 models have enhanced Sentry Mode with better resolution and longer recording times. If you encounter any issues, like the app not loading events, try restarting the app or checking your internet connection. There you have it. Viewing Sentry Mode events is straightforward and helps you stay one step ahead. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Tesla tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.